Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhavya and you are watching a 5-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities, offer hotel, and room category, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, some nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that identify guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. It is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. To understand the details, you can also follow the link provided in the description. Check description. If you are new on this channel, please have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our other property. Be safe, be happy.